students, I am coming back with taking the additional information about mobile cloud computing. So in the previous video, I have delivered the information regarding mobile cloud computing and MCC and some advantages, and the remaining advantages is to be contributed in this particular video. So the another advantage is a dynamic provision. So dynamic on-demand provision of sources on a fine-grained self-service basis. No need for advanced reservation. So the another advantage is scalability. Means mobile applications can be performed and scaled to meet the unpredictable user demands, and service providers can easily add and expand a service. Another advantage is multi-tenancy. So service providers can share the resources and cost to support a variety of applications and a large number of users. And the last advantage is easy of integration. So multiple services from different providers can be integrated easily through the cloud and internet to meet the user's demand. Clear? So these are the basic advantages of a mobile cloud computing. Then we have discussed about MCC applications. So a lot of applications is available, but some of them are listed here. So the first one is a mobile learning. So mobile learning combines e-learning and mobility. Traditionally, M-learning has limitations on high cost of devices or network, low transmission rate, limited educational resources. And cloud-based M-learning can solve these limitations and enhance communication quality between students and teachers. Next is a mobile healthcare. M healthcare is to minimize the limitations of traditional medical treatment. M healthcare provide mobile users with convenient access to resources, that is, for example, medical records. Another application is assistive technology. Means mobile currency reader for blind and visually impaired, lecture transcriptions for hiring impaired students, and other applications are sharing photos, videos, keyboard based, voice based, tag based searching, monitoring a house, smart home systems, and so on. So these are the applications of MCC, mobile cloud computing. Then some issues are generated in our MCC. So MCC issues are mobile communication issues, means low bandwidth, service availability, means mobile users may not be able to connect to the cloud to obtain a service due to traffic congestion, network failure, mobile signal strength problem. So these are the mobile communication issues. Next is the heterogeneity, means handling wireless connectivity with highly heterogeneous network to satisfy MCC requirements is a difficult problem. To solve this problem, IRN, means Intelligent Radio Network Access, is built. Next issue is computing issues. So in the computing issues are security, enhancing the efficiency of data access, and so on. Now we have discussed about of types of offloading. Means depending on material being offloading. Means data offloading and computational offloading. So data offloading means data are migrated from one congested network to another network. And computational offloading means an expensive computational process is migrated from the mobile devices to the server with cloud to improve performance and battery life. Then we have discussed about of offloading methods. So current discuss offloading methods is the three main directions. The first one is the client server communication method, virtualization and a mobile agents. Then we have discussed about of MAUI means mobile assistant using infrastructure. So MAUI is designed by Microsoft for Windows Phone, which uses the Microsoft.NET Common Language runtime. MAUI is a system that enables fine grained energy aware offload of mobile code to the infrastructure. Clear? MAUI uses the benefits of a managed code environment to support fine-grained code offload to maximize energy saving with minimal burden on the programmer. And what is the meaning of a clone cloud? So anybody knows the meaning of a clone cloud? So the clone cloud support one mobile device with one clone. To support full concurrency between the mobile devices and clones, this will add new feature such as threaded synchronization. And some open issues and challenges are: the first one is the task division, data delivery, low bandwidth, energy efficient transmission, live VM migration issues, and concurrency and synchronizations. So these are the some open issues and challenges. And another thing is, what is the meaning of Think Air? And Think Air is a framework that makes it simple for developers to migrate their smartphone applications to the cloud. Think Air exploits the concept of a smartphone virtualization in the cloud and provides method level computation offloading. Think Air has been developed for Java and has been based on Android. It eliminates the limitations induced from Clone Cloud by combining the approaches from MAUI and Clone Cloud. And the last one is cloudlets. So what is the meaning of a cloudlets? So a cloudlet is a mobility enhance small scale cloud data center that is located at the edge of the internet. And the main purpose of the cloudlet is supporting resources intensive and interactive mobile applications by providing powerful computing resources to mobile devices with lower latency. And it is a new architectural element that extends today's cloud computing infrastructure. So I think the information which is delivered by me for representing the concept of a mobile cloud computing is sufficient. So please watch this video and the previous video for completing the knowledge about of mobile cloud computing, and watch this video from beginning to the last and enhance your skills. Thank you very much.